Hello guys, my name is Nózi, and in this video I will show you this CNC. Me and my dad made it. In fact, my dad built it and I programmed it. It's a really precise tool because it has many sliding components and a lot of stability. But now enough of the talking and let's get on the subject. It has two end positions and one of them is made with the color sensor and one of them is with the button. The reason for that is that they are required for the zeroing. The reason for the placement is both of the motors are turning to the positive way from this zero. It has a custom pen holder too, and it's brilliant because it's steady through the whole work. I was talking about the zeroing, now let's see what it does. It's not a big thing, but it's an important step because every work is starting with this. There is another basic step, and that is that showing the place of the axis. We talked enough, now we need to see what this machine can do. Oh, and there is one more important thing I forgot to mention. We need BB oil to run it smoothly. We can put an A4 paper on the top of this little wooden table. Now I will show you the first drawing program I wrote.
Belengedte egy kicsit. Azért most a toll nem fogja annyira. Sokat számítani, mert toll is mennyire szorítja. Gyorsabban is megy, nem, hogyha gyorsabban menne, nem?
Hát állítottam gyors.
Jó, de nem úgy, hanem előzőhöz képest. Ahogy a toll nem szorítja annyira. Ugye azt meg be lehet mondani, azért, ugye a kis hibák, ugye ez a legónak a lógásából adódnak.
Yes, that's a Greek pattern. I will show you some footage from another directions too.
Jobb?
Itt lassabb.
Igen, jobb, sokkal jobb.
I have many plans in my head with this machine, so there will be more videos with it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, throw it a like and subscribe. Build to be more clever. Bye.